So then the Mathia modeling linear relationships using multiple representations, step-by-step example. Enter unit for measuring the amount of rain tomorrow. It's inches, as in from, so I'll do that. And also inches. The amount of rain tomorrow is an independent quality that varies from question to question. Therefore, you can represent a variable. So we'll do n since I was failing to recommend it. Then we'll do n plus 9.5. Enter the given value for the amount of rain for question 1, which is 9 point. I'll take 4 point. Plot point for plot points representing your solution to question 1. When the amount of rain tomorrow is 9.2, the total amount of rain that falls in 2 days is 18.7. Right there. And of course, do this report. Oh, sorry, times 12. Then we'll plot that, so 10.8, so enough there. 3. And then draw a line. And we're done. The end.